you talking behind my back, spreading rumors like they're all facts. I trusted you, we used to ride. Now all I feel is rage inside. I opened up, revealed my fears. You turned them into pain and tears. Why'd you do this? Why so cold? You broke a bond with more than gold. Do not repeat it, don't you dare. Those secrets was never meant to share. I trusted you to understand. Heartbeat loud, faces staring through the crowd. No more silence, no disguise. I see betrayal in your eyes. Do not repeat it, don't you dare. My secrets stay locked somewhere. I gave you trust, you let it burn. Now there's no way back in return. I feel exposed beneath the lights, lost inside these endless nights.